in here, we're setting up for a brand new project. We build these, we put up these curtains and we build these rooms so that we can segment the different types of products that we're working with, so that everything kind of stays contained in this area for this specific project. So really exciting stuff. So we have a large recycling center on site here at Econo-Pak where we're taking all the materials and we're being very responsible about the way that we handle them and recycle the material. So we recycle everything from our corrugate to our film to even our bulk waste product. So we have a lot of different unique flow wrapping systems here at Econo-Pak, and most importantly, conveyor systems that allow the flow wrapping product to come down multi-channels and are able to be packed out in different varieties, creating a lot of options for our clients. All right, so we're going to go into here. What we're setting up in this room is one of our seasoning areas. So it's a very fast-growing segment for us here at Econo-Pak. So we have dedicated areas for different types of seasoning. So we're seasoning pretzels for this specific project. So we'll do all of our seasoning in line, bring it straight into a bagger, and everything stays contained in this area. So the bulk product comes in, we run it through the seasoner, put the flavoring on it, run it into our scale, we bag it in a variety of different sizes, and then it goes into its finished packaging and then out for our client. So this is room 0. We're currently trialing some different types of seasoning flavors and some different formulas. This is a nice benchtop test that we're doing for one of our clients. We're mixing oil and different seasoning together and putting it in a benchtop tumbler to try different seasoning profiles.